Take a look at this image. She has something blocking her face. Let's change that by giving it a prompt. Here it is. Now we can see her face properly. Now, let's make her take a selfie in the streets. Wow, that was nice and quick. Let's see if we can change the background to snow. And just like that, it is now snowing. This is so cool. Now, this image has so many annoying watermarks. Let's remove all the watermarks from the image. This is just incredible. In this image, I don't like the fact that I can't see her face. Let's make her turn her head towards the camera. Here it is. That was so easy. Now let's make her smile. Nice. She looks very pretty while smiling, doesn't she? Now in this image, she looks very nice and stylish. Let's make her do something daring. Let's put her on a skating board. Here it is. She is now skating. This is just incredible. So, Black Forest Labs has just released their awesome AI image editor named Flux One Kontext. And as you just saw, it works like magic. If you watch my videos, then you guys already know how much I love Flux. I use it all the time for my content. And let me tell you guys, this new image model did not disappoint either. So get ready, because I will show you everything about this tool in great detail. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, Flux Kontext has two different models. One is Pro and the other is Max. Max provides a bit better quality than Pro. You can choose the one you like. For this video, I will go with the Pro model. Now you can also use this for absolutely free, because they will give you 200 free credits once you sign up, and each image costs 4 credits. So with 200 credits, you can generate 50 images, which is awesome. Also, you can try this tool on all these other platforms. As you can see from here, I will choose Flux Playground because it's easier and free. Now, once you are in, you will see an interface like this. From here, if you go to Generate, then you will be able to generate images using Flux. As you can see from here, it has all the models of Flux available. Let's try to generate one image first. So, I will choose the Flux Ultra model from here, then paste this prompt. Next, you can click on these 3 dots to change the settings. First, you can choose the aspect ratio from here. I will keep it at 16:9. Next, you can select how many images to generate at once. I will make it 1 to save credits. Next, I will change the raw output to yes, because it will generate more realistic results. Next, you can also change the prompt enhancement option if you want, and change the output image format. I will just keep them as they are and hit generate, and here is the output. As expected from Flux, you can see that the image looks absolutely stunning and realistic. If you use Flux, then you already know how good it is. I really don't need to explain much. Now, let the magic begin. Let's try the editor. First, you need to change the model to Flux Kontext Pro. Next, you need to upload your image here. I will upload the image I have just generated. Now I want to change the weather of the background, so I will just write "make it snow" and hit generate. It really doesn't take much time to generate the result, and here it is. Wow, as you can see, it has changed the weather to snowing, and it looks fabulous too. Most importantly, you can see everything else remain the same, from the reporter's face to the cars in the background. This is just awesome. I am very much impressed with this. Let's try one more. This time, let's make her wear glasses. So I will write this and hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, she is now wearing glasses, and it looks very, very nice. Most importantly, it doesn't look like the glasses were edited into the photo later. It really looks very real, which is impressive. I have tested multiple AI image editors, but this one is performing way better than the rest. And if you compare the images, you can see that the face remains unchanged, which is awesome. And now let's change her clothes. So I will write this in the prompt and hit generate. Here is the output. As you can see, the dress has been changed as per the prompt, and it looks very nice. She is also smiling now, and most importantly, even when she is smiling, her face remains absolutely consistent. This is awesome. Now just imagine the kind of content you can create with this. It's truly something great. And now let's remove watermarks from one image and see how good it is. You can do that from here, or you can also go to the Edit tab and edit your images. Let's try this. So I will upload my image here. Next, in the prompt, I will just write remove watermarks and hit enter. Here is the output. As you can see, it has removed all the watermarks from the image. The image looks very nice. If you look closely, you can see that it was able to add elements to the watermarked area perfectly, and this image looks perfect. This is outstanding. The things that this editor can do are outstanding, and the more you use it, the more you find out how good this tool actually is. And now, let me show you how you can expand any image you want. To do that, go to the Expand tab and then upload your image here. Next, you can select the aspect ratio that you want to expand it to from here. I will keep it at 16:9 and then hit Generate. And here it is, the image has been expanded, and this is outstanding. You can see there are no lines or smudges. Unlike other image expanders, it was able to analyze the image and the background properly and expanded the image. This is next level stuff. Now, you can also edit a specific part of an image if you want with this. To do that, go to the Fill tab and upload your image here. I have uploaded this image. Now you can see she is winking, and I want to change that. So I will select this eye, and in the prompt, write eyes open, and then hit Generate. And here is the output. As you can see, her eyes are open now, and it has blended with the image perfectly. I mean, look at it. Would you be able to tell that this image has been edited? No, right? It's that good. And all of this is free, which is just crazy to think about. So make sure you go and try this tool now before they stop giving free credits. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.